Hero Xtreme 160R is a totally new motorcycle from Hero MotoCorp with a new engine, new design and new chassis. Previously, Hero was known for manufacturing the best commuter motorcycles which you have seen Splendor and Passion etc. All these ruled the commuter segment in Indian market. Time goes on, now it's 2020 and the Hero has given us another exciting street fighter motorcycle. We call it Xtreme 160R. The LED indicators, integrated grab handles and smoky rear tail lamp, which is unique and first in segment. Seat cushioning of this bike is very good and the rider seating position is also very good. The seat height of rider is 790 mm. Beautiful dual tone fuel tank with aerodynamic design and muscular shape, which provides you very good grip when you sit on the bike. Handle is quite wide enough to control the motorbike. You can easily maneuver the bike and the riding position is upright. This is a totally fresh product from Hero which has been designed with new thinking and for a new generation. Without wasting any time, let's check the sound of this bike and we'll look into the specifications. You are getting a lot of information in the instrument cluster of this bike, such as side stand indicator, engine malfunction light, speedometer, trip meter and engine RPM meter, fuel meter, and you are also getting hazard switch in this bike. Now let's check the specifications of this bike. It has got 163cc SOHC air cooled electronic fuel injection single cylinder engine, which produces decent amount of power at decent RPM, that is 15 bhp power at 8500 RPM and torque of 14 Nm at 6500 RPM, which is quite impressive for this much small cc engine, and it has got a gearbox of 5-speed manual, 1 down and 5 up. Seat height is comfortable for short as well as tall riders, 790 mm. And the fuel tank capacity is 12 liters, ground clearance is 167 mm. Curb weight of this bike is 139.5 kgs, which is quite very good. And tire size of front is 100 by 80 by 17 and rear tire is 130 by 70 by 17, and suspension front 37 mm telescopic and rear 7-step adjustable monoshock. And forgot to mention, mileage of this bike is 55 kmpl, company claimed, and in city you can get somewhere around 47 kmpl. This bike comes in 3 colors: red, white and blue. This bike competes with Suzuki Gixxer, TVS Apache RTR 164V BS6, Yamaha FZ and Bajaj Pulsar NS 160. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you ask me how is this bike, from my driving experience and observation, bike is very good and a new design in the market. And in my next video I will be making on the same bike Xtreme 160R, and I will be telling you positives as well as negatives of this bike. If you haven't subscribed yet, then please make sure to subscribe my channel. Show your support by sharing this video. Thank you so much friends.